Hey, it's Chris, I hope you're all well. If you want to cut a stereo tube to the perfect size, this is definitely what you need. Unior's measuring gauge for the cutting guide. Okay, let's dig into it. The gauge is compatible with Unior's 1604/2 Plus cutting guide. It is made from special tool steel for years of use. The set includes a specific screw to tighten the gauge into the cutting guide. The gauge allows you to measure steers from 50 to 200 mm, starting from the forks round. To install the tool into the cutting guide, slide the gauge into the cutting guide specific hole. Install the screw into the cutting guide without tightening it. Once you know the desired stereo tube length, set it in front of the cutting guide slot you will be using. Once the gauge is set, tighten the gauge screw. You can now secure the cutting guide with the gauge into a vise. Slide the stereo tube into the gauge and the cutting guide. Be careful, it is really important the gauge stays on the forks crown. Once everything is set, you can tighten the cutting guide screw. Finally, you can sew the stereo tube and remove the stirrer from the cutting guide. Sweet, isn't it? Especially when you want to cut a new stereo tube to the exact same size as an older stereo tube. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.